So what happens if you've got a very specific company or business that you'd like to work with in a professional capacity as a client in a collaboration or joint venture? I'm going to show you some of the things that you can do with the LinkedIn Sales Navigator tool to get to the right people, to open up the conversations and explore those possibilities with them. So first things first, you can scroll down and actually type in any company name. So let's say Coca-Cola is a nice broad company that most people, I'd imagine, are familiar with. So let's go with Coca-Cola Company. So now I've got 85,000 people at the Coca-Cola Company. The next thing that I can do is I can actually find people working at that company who are located in my city or town. So if I come back up here to geography and I'll type in Melbourne, add that in, you can see our search is now down to 102 employees in the Coca-Cola Company. And let's say I wanted to get to a decision maker in that company. I could come down and write in the title that I'm looking for. I'll just put in manager, which is a little bit broad, but you can see there's 16 managers in Melbourne working for Coca-Cola that I can now hit search, bring them up, and I found those decision makers and those target people inside the company that I can now start connecting with and coming up with a strategy to engage for the opportunity to see how we can either work together, collaborate, and add value to the Coca-Cola business. So that's just one example. You can literally search any company, and as long as they're listed it on LinkedIn, you'll be able to bring that company up, and anyone that works in that company that's added that to their profile, you'll be able to find those people in seconds, just like you saw here in this tutorial, by following the steps that you just saw. So if this video was helpful and you're looking to target specific companies or businesses, hit the subscribe button. We're going to drop several LinkedIn tutorials every single week, and hit the bell so you don't miss any of them. And also hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions about targeting specific businesses, pop them below and we'll happily answer them for you.